Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we re-diving deep into one of the most incredible and often overlooked aspects of human development. The secret watery world where we all began our lives. Before we were born, before we took our first breath, we were all tiny swimmers in a very special, private pool. This isn't just any water, it's a life-sustaining fluid that creates the perfect environment for a baby to grow and thrive. So, what exactly is this magical liquid, and what does it do? Let's find out. This amazing substance is called amniotic fluid. It's the clear, slightly yellowish liquid that surrounds the baby inside the amniotic sac in the mother's uterus. Think of it as a baby's first home, a personal bubble of protection and nourishment. For about 40 weeks, this fluid is a baby's entire universe. It's warm, it's safe, and it's perfectly designed for the monumental task of building a human being from just a few cells. So, where does this fluid come from? In the very beginning, it's mostly water provided by the mother's body. But as the baby grows, something really fascinating happens. Around the 20-week mark, the baby's kidneys start working, and the primary source of the amniotic fluid becomes the baby's own urine. I know it sounds a little strange, but baby urine is sterile and is mostly water. The baby continuously swallows the fluid. It gets processed through their developing digestive and urinary systems, and then it's released back into the sac. This amazing cycle is called fetal swallowing and urination, and it's a crucial practice for developing these vital systems before birth. One of the most important jobs of the amniotic fluid is to act as a shock absorber. Imagine the mother is walking, exercising, or even just bumps into something. The fluid cushions the baby, protecting them from outside pressures and sudden movements. It's like a natural airbag, ensuring the baby stays safe and secure from the jolts and bumps of the outside world. This protective cushion is essential for preventing injury to the baby's delicate, growing body. But that's not all. The amniotic fluid also plays a critical role in development. It gives the baby the freedom to move around. These movements, the little kicks, stretches, and turns that a mother feels, are not just for fun. They are essential for the proper development of the baby's muscles and skeleton. Without the buoyancy of the fluid, the baby's bones and muscles wouldn't develop the strength they need for life outside the womb. This freedom of movement prevents the baby's limbs from getting stuck or growing together. Temperature control is another vital function. The amniotic fluid maintains a constant, warm temperature, slightly higher than the mother's own body temperature. This cozy environment keeps the baby perfectly comfortable and saves them from having to use their own precious energy to stay warm. All that energy can instead be dedicated to the important business of growing bigger and stronger every single day. It's like a perfectly regulated incubator, custom-made by nature. Amniotic fluid is also a barrier against infection. The amniotic sac that holds the fluid is a sterile environment, sealed off from the outside world. The fluid itself contains antibodies from the mother, providing the baby with its first line of immune defense. This helps to protect the baby from bacteria and viruses that could potentially harm them, creating a safe haven where they can develop without the threat of illness. Furthermore, this fluid is crucial for lung development. While inside the womb, a baby doesn't breathe air. Instead, they practice breathing by inhaling and exhaling amniotic fluid. This fetal breathing is essential for the lungs to grow and mature properly. It strengthens the respiratory muscles and prepares the alveoli, the tiny air sacs in the lungs, to be ready to take their first real breath of air the moment they are born. Without this practice, a baby's lungs wouldn't be prepared for life outside. The amount of amniotic fluid is carefully regulated. Typically, it increases until about 36 weeks of pregnancy and then gradually decreases as the due date approaches. Doctors often monitor the fluid levels as an important indicator of the baby's well-being. Too little or too much fluid can sometimes signal potential issues that may need attention. So, from protection and movement to lung development and temperature control, the amniotic fluid is an unsung hero of pregnancy. It's a dynamic, multifunctional, and perfectly balanced system that supports a baby in every way imaginable. It truly is a remarkable testament to the wonders of human biology. This watery world is the first home we ever know, a private ocean that nurtures us until we're ready to greet the world. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore this incredible topic. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing journeys into the human body. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. See you next time.